Well, all right. So I got the pond liner installed. I have the bottom drain installed. Now I just got to let the silicone set up, so 24 hours. And then tomorrow I'll come out and start filling it up and get the wrinkles out. And should be about done after that. At least as far as to get the fish in. This won't be done before the fish are in it. As far as I'm going to have a deck. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it. I'm either going to get 16-foot boards and build a deck across like 4 feet of the 12. Somewhere on there. So maybe like a 8-foot deck, 4 foot off the pond, 4 foot over the pond. Or maybe like 2 foot over the pond, 2 foot off the pond, 4 foot over the pond. So 6 foot by 16 foot. I'm not exactly sure. Or I'm gonna come 8 by 8 and build a deck to go that way. Just cover that one 8 by 8 square of the pond. But obviously it'll actually, hold on, let me start over. It'll go 2 feet off the pond on both sides. So it'll only cover 6 square feet of the pond. Well, not 6 square feet, but 6 by 6. And then I was thinking I could put a bridge this way. That way, if you're out on the deck, you can just walk over here. I don't know. We'll see. That's just opening a can of worms. First, fish in the pond. Oh, there's the puppy Zora. Okay, well, anyways, that's where we're at. Hopefully tomorrow I'm sending a video of putting the fish in. Have a nice day. Sorry for the finger. Keeps popping in the screen there.